Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
We'll put Mia on a leash. It'll be
Say
just like
no
having a dog.
way. Okay, we're gonna enter the park. Bluebird Springs Park.
Ooh, look at the water.
Because I didn't put clips in it.
No, it's fine.
Where's the swings and stuff?
It's to feed the ducks and the fish.
Oh, we forgot
Look
bread.
at the bird.
Where?
Right there, on
Oh
the
yeah,
pole.
in the water, Lee.
Oh. See, so if we had bread, we could feed it. It would come to you.
Okay, here comes somebody. Hold my hand.
This is boring.
Well, we're not inside the park yet. This is the entrance. Ooh, look at the water.
Wait,
Hey, I don't want you too close. It's yucky.
I see glass.
Yeah, I
Is that
know.
a real bird?
Yeah, you see him moving his head?
It's a big bird. And if we had bread,
Oh,
we
there
could
he
feed it.
goes.
They're like little ducks in the water. Oh, he went underwater. He's getting fish. Did you see it?
Wow.
It's still underwater.
No, his head is up. Oh, now it's under. Wow.
Hey, look at these lily pads. Come on, Bobby.
I'm coming. Don't run.
Are you ready?
Hey, Lee, look at the sign. Alligators and snakes in the area.
So that's probably why they blocked off that area.
Probably. Yeah, I told you there's alligators here.
Wow. Watch where you're walking, Mia.
But it's pretty cold though, so I don't think they'd be out.
You think?
Maybe the snake.
It helps having dogs.
Huh?
It helps having dogs. You know they
Mia,
deter stuff.
I don't want her to go too far ahead.
She's not far ahead, Cheryl.
Wow. Yeah. Not too close, Mia.
Hey, I'm gonna do this slide.
All right.
His belly button.
Holy Holy cow.
Yeah.
You want me to hold Panini?
I'll put Penny on the slide.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let him sit right there.
Let's see if I can do this.
Ooh. Hold on tight.
I don't think she can climb up that, can she?
Oh, no.
No, it's high.
And that looks kind of
Yeah.
like...
The small one you can go up right here.
What?
That one you
Or
can
there's
do.
stairs on the other side.
Do you want the stairs?
Yeah, then I can do this.
Where's she going?
Oh, I think she can climb
You
there.
put your feet and your hands in each hole. Well, the little one. There you go, and then you cross over.
Be careful. Watch your noggin. Yeah,
Do
that.
it like the rock wall, Pumpkin. Put your foot here. There you go.
Watch your head.
Now, look above you right here. You gotta hang on.
Put your hand up here.
Want Grandpa to help you?
It's scary. Watch your head.
There you go. Watch
Wow.
your noggin.
I think I can't do this. What can I do?
You can
I don't
go.
wanna do that or the stairs.
Go use the stairs and come down the slide, and
I
I'll
wanna
watch
do
you.
those.
Okay.
I wanna try again.
You're gonna try again?
Can you?
What?
If I fall, can you catch me?
Yes, I will.
We will go on each side.
I
How's
will
that?
go on the other side and catch you.
Because like I'm scared if I fall. Oh, this is hard.
Grandpa will catch
Take
you.
it easy.
High.
Don't go too fast, because that's high.
Okay, watch it. Okay, you're gonna come over this way.
Okay.
Come, put your foot over here. Yeah, hold on. Put your foot over here, Pumpkin.
Two.
Right here.
I saw a fly.
Okay, put your foot right here. There you go. Now, wait.
Higher.
Okay, put that foot down. There you go. Then the next place you're gonna put your foot is right here. There you go. Then next, there you go. There you go.
You
made
did it. Woohoo!
And
Wow.
can you get Pania?
Okay.
I'll go get Pania.
He doesn't slide. I think I can do that.
Ooh, you slide down the pole. So that means you got to put your hands and your feet on here.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey,
This is like a real big kid swing set.
catch this. Pania. He's gonna go down.
Whoa, she
Oh,
caught it.
Don't do it again.
Okay.
It's
Oh.
gonna get all dirty.
Your doopie's going to get all wet on this one.
Yeah, don't go down it.
He's gonna get all wet.
It is. I see puddles in the grooves.
Oh,
See it
do
up.
you?
Up
Hey. I think I can do that.
Yeah? Okay, come on.
Ooh.
I'll be right here.
I say I'll look down.
You think you
Go
can
down.
climb up that ladder and reach them?
the, absolutely.
I can do this.
There you go.
Hold tight.
Okay,
Wow.
grab this
I
one.
can't.
You can't?
Let's see if I can fall down doing this.
You don't want to fall
It's
down.
only less than a half a foot. You're gonna land on your feet. Try it.
Okay, I'm right here, Pumpkin.
Let her go though, because she can do it. Ready? Hang. And now
Oh,
drop.
yeah, you can just drop down.
Yeah.
I'm afraid of
that.
her breaking her.
There you go.
Yeah.
Right? You're a big girl now.
Let's see if I can. This is gonna be hard. So like this.
That is hard. You're doing good though.
Hey, just try switching. Ugh. Come on. The feet needed to fit where the feet can Zombie one. Just hold this.
Whoa.
No, I can't do it.
She was going to try the third one with her other hand.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Arms just not quite long enough.
I know.
Maybe.
Foundation.
Look it.
You can't make this up.
And then I.
The Turquoise Mountain
Ooh.
Foundation exists
Get all dirty,
to
Mia.
teach
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Let me see your head.
By their dogs, because they did not.
Yeah.
I see a cute little doggy right there, that black one. And that
Yeah, that's a cutie pie.
Yeah.
Okay, watch where you're going. You don't want to step in nothing. These things are squishy.
Huh.
I don't know what they are.
Little balls.
Yeah.
Probably puck balls, Cheryl, if you're stepping on them.
Okay, don't go by the puppy.
See how they have a fire hydrant they can pippy on?
Ooh. Look at all the
that doggy's
puppies.
pretty good.
Well, he's old
Yeah.
though, so he wants to be left alone. If they
Right.
want to be pet, they'll come to you.
Yeah, so don't touch them.
No, we have them. We were showing our way to bring the dog.
Look down when you walk, okay?
Yep, just to make sure you don't step on anything.
Have to watch them off the window.
What do you say at the end of the video?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Wow.
Couldn't fit. Nope. Mia didn't make it.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.